Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about Prezi. What is Prezi? Prezi is a web-based tool for creating presentations. It is similar to other presentation softwares like Microsoft PowerPoint, but this has to offer some unique features that makes it a good alternative. In recent years, this has become popular among schools and educators. So how does Prezi work? Most type of presentation softwares, they used a slide-based approach where you move back and forth between individual slides, kind of like pages in a book. Prezi, however, uses a canvas-based approach. Instead of using slides, Prezi has one large canvas that your presentation moves around, zooming in various frames. This is the Prezi website. Once you type prezi.com in Google, you're going to see this desktop. And as you can see on the left hand side, you have various tabs. One is new presentation, then you have all projects, presentation, videos, infographics, library, brand kit, and thrash. You can see all your presentation on your desktop that you've created. Now one of the most important thing I feel is the integration of AI, that is artificial intelligence, with Prezi. That helps a lot. So let's create one presentation and see difference between the conventional PowerPoint that we used to have and this Prezi presentation. So to begin with, click on new presentation and he'll give you a few options. One is create with AI, create from a template, create from scratch, convert from PowerPoint. I suggest that you can create it from a template which is already given. So let's try doing that. So if I click on this, you can try the other options whenever you would like to see. These are some of the presentations which you can use. These are the templates. If you can see, there are so many different things that Prezi has to offer. For example, to see how it works, you can probably select a template. Now say I've selected this template here, the first one. If you can see, the animation shows how the presentation will move once you've completed it. I think this looks very nice. So let me click on this, and there are others too. You can explore and choose the one which you like. Okay, let's click on this. Now he's asking if you want to choose this template. You can see how this works. The animation in this canvas, this keeps moving around, which will improve the visual appeal, and you can add more to it. There are thousands of templates. You can take a look at it. So I'll use this template. He's asking me to give a name to this template. I'll say verbs. My presentation is about verbs. So again, there's an option. He's asking who can see this presentation. People that I share with. You can share it with your class or anyone on the web. So I'm selecting anyone on the web and I'll continue. Meanwhile, it buffers. Let me tell you, once your presentation is complete, you'll absolutely love it. So there you go. This is our workshop here. The first presentation is here. He's asking, we can edit them by clicking on this. So my presentation heading is, as I've said earlier, we are going to be learning about verbs. And then I will move. This is the overview. So this will be my first slide. Let me so I've created my presentation earlier itself. So the topic will be understanding verbs. So I'll copy from this. And moving further, a comprehensive guide. You can add whatever you think is right according to the topic you've selected. And you can increase the fonts. You can play around with this. You can change the color, increase the fonts, howsoever you like. You can place it wherever you want. So this is my first slide. Now let me go to the second one. See, it automatically brings you there. On my second slide, which I have already prepared, I want the introduction of verbs. That will be my topic. So I'll copy and move around. So moving back, these are all the things I want in the second slide. So I can simply paste it here and increase the font as you want. as you like. The color is changeable, you can make it bold. It's just like working on Microsoft Word and on PPT. So that is my second slide. It's ready. Click on the third slide. It brings you here. So on my third slide, I have types of verbs. That will be my heading here. Let me click on this, and going back here, it says main type of words: action verbs, linking verbs, and helping verbs. I'll copy it down and put it here. So moving further, I'm going to fourth slide. Fourth slide has a box here. You can keep adding much more to graphics to it if you like to. There are so many options available. So once you log in, take a look at it. You'll really enjoy. And moreover, the people who are seeing your presentation, they'll absolutely like what you've shown. In case I don't need this, I can simply delete it. In case I require, I can continue to add. So I'm editing this presentation according to my liking. So just increase the font and place it wherever you want within the group. Going to the next slide. I'm doing it a little quick just to save time. So linking verbs and definition of it with sentence example, that will be my sixth slide. So there you go. So I've almost completed my slides here. You can add more slides if you want. You can click a frame and you can add to draw the attention of people. You can look at so many options. You have styles here, then frame, text, media. You can add media, you can add video also, you can add links from YouTube, then you can add shapes, story blocks. There are more options whatsoever you like. You can add more animations, presentation, presenter notes, and everything. You can change the background color, the parallax image, and you can see there are certain free images also which are copyright free. You can absolutely use them in your presentation. Now there are so many other options that you can do. So I think whatever I have typed here, the 5 to 6 slides, they are ready. But here you see, this is how it looks once you finished it. Now you will really like the way it shows on the screen. So he's asking, would you like to present? Yes, I want to present it. You can see this is how it looks. So the first slide is like this. So you click on that, it takes you to this slide. This is the first one that we did, understanding verbs. Then you see it automatically takes you to the next slide, and you can look at the way it takes you around. The visual appeal is excellent. This is how you present. Now instead of moving around like page by page like in a PPT, we are moving around to different slides, and then it is visually appealing. And each presentation you make, you can create it differently. There are different graphics that you can explore. The templates are absolutely wonderful. So do take a look at this, and once you think you have completed your presentation, you can share it, get a link, export as PDF, and then you can share it in the broadcast link, get a link, and then you can save it. If you can see, you can download, export, or save it as a PDF. So this is how you can use it. Do explore Prezi. Once you start making presentations in Prezi, I'm absolutely sure you will not go back to any other platform. This is a wonderful platform, so do explore. Thank you.